Franchise best on the team.
Franchise best on the team.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene. Back out fresh on the scene. Back out fresh on the scene. Back out fresh on the scene. Back out fresh on the scene. Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team.
Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I'm T-Brand with Autofaze. I'm here with the guys at Taos. They did an amazing job on this GT500 that you just witnessed on the video. And Brandon's going to tell you everything that they just did.
Oh yeah. Brand new GT500 just came out. Got with the guys from Lethal Performance. Put together a cool package for the cars wanting to stay on the 91, 93 octane side. It includes a 265 griptech pulley, a JLT cold air intake, and a set of their race pipes. As you saw earlier in the video, we just got done putting down 771 to the tire.
Oh yeah.
And then backed that up with a 768, and just a beautiful running car. Just absolutely amazing.
Brandon, thanks for having us out, man. It was an absolute blast. Spending a nice night here in the Midwest filming a GT500. You can't ask for anything better. We're out.